Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, the first part, unit digit of 124 into 36 into 96 is dash. It is given that when you multiply any number into 0 or in the place of unit plates to be 0, automatically the unit digit will get the result to be 0. Okay, for example, now 124 into 36 into 980. When you multiply at the end, the ones place will be definitely 0. So we can write it to be the 0. Second one, when the unit digit of the base and it is expanded form of that number is 9, then the exponent must be the odd power. Unit digit of the base and its expanded form of the number is 9. So the base is 9 now. So he is asking that the exponent must be. So in the unit place, if the answer is coming as 9, then what it should be the power? What will be the power? Either it is odd or even. That is the question is. Since it is odd, it will come as 9. Okay. So definitely the answer is for this is odd. Second Roman letter is match the following. So in the left hand side you have the exponential form. In the right hand side it is given unit digit. The first question is 20 power 10. So in the unit place we have 0. 0 power is any number. Either it is odd or even. The answer will be 0 only. So the answer is C for this. So there I have written for you 1. And the second question is 121 the whole power 11. So unit place the number is 1. So 1 power is either odd or even, whatever may be the number. The resultant we will get in the unit place will be 1 only. Okay. So if you multiply any number but the unit place is 1 and odd or the power is either odd or even. So again in the result, in the answer we will get in the unit place 1 only. So we can take the answer to be D. Okay. And then the third question, 444 power is 41. Here you have to think a little bit. We have to take the unit place number is 4. So 4 power 41. 41 means it is odd. Okay. If the 4 power is odd, automatically we know that in the result it will be in the unit place is 4 only. Okay. If it is an even place means, even number means, then it will be the result will be 6. But here the answer is 3. So we can take the answer to be B. The fourth question is 25 power 100. So for the 5, always remember that the power is odd or even. In the result we will get answer to be 5 only. Okay. That is the unit place will be definitely 5. So for the fourth question the answer is 5, that is F. Okay. Then the fifth question, 716 the whole power 83. That means for 6. For 6 also in the answer will be always it will be 6 even though the power is odd or even. So the answer is 6 only. Unit place the answer will be 6. So where the 6 we have A, that is your fifth one. And at the last one 729 the whole power 725. Okay. That means 9. For the 9 you have to see only the 9, the first digit. The 9 power is 725. That means it is odd. Okay. If it is odd, the resultant will be sure it is like 9. If it is even, then the resultant will be different, right? So since it is the odd value, we will get the answer to be 9. So that is sixth answer. Sixth part to the question answer is E. Okay. So E is the answer for this. So till this the match the following is completed. Take down this match the following in the textbook itself. Okay. Now the third Roman letter, find the unit of the expanded form. Okay. In this the first question is 25 the whole power 23. So you should see the first digit. That means the one digit you should see. The unit digit is 5. So unit digit whatever may be the value, either it is odd or even, we will get the answer to be 5 only. Okay. And then 11 power 10. So the unit digit is 1. 1 power any number, either it is odd or even, the answer will be 1. 46 the whole power 15. 6. For 6 also the answer will be 6 only. So remember that for the above values like 1, 5, 6, 0. So the same values only we will be getting. We no need to think also. Okay, we can just write it as it is. For 0, 1, 5 and 6. Same number, like even the power is whatever may be the number, the unit place will have the same value. Is it clear, ma? For example, now 100 power 12, the unit place is 0. So the answer is 0. 29, so for 9 and for 4 it will change. For 9 you have to see the first unit place is 9, 9 power 21. So the power is odd. If the power is odd, the answer will be same 9. Is it clear? Okay. Then if the power is last question is 19 power 12. That means the power is even. So for 9 the power is even. When the power is even, you will get the answer to be 1. Is it clear? For the fourth equation, 114 the whole power 20 plus 115 the whole power 21 plus 116 the whole power 22. Okay. Now you can see that to be the first digit is 4. 4 power even number. If it is an even number, it will be 6. Okay. The unit place what value will get? You will get only 6. And then 115. I said you already, like first digit is 5. You no need to think anything. Just we can write the answer to be 5. For 116 the whole power 22. For 6 also the same thing. For 6 also we no need to think anything. Just we can write 6 as it is. Now add it 6 plus 5 plus 6. You will get the value to be 17. So what is the unit value? 7. So the answer is 7 for this question. And then the second one you can see here is, it is 10,000 power of 10,000 plus you can see that 11,111 the whole power 11,111. See 0 power any number if comes automatically we know the value is 0. 1 power any value it comes the value is 1 only. So just while adding 0 plus 1 we get the answer to be 1. Thank you.